All right, so I'm gonna post this one for the off-topic chat or options chat, whatever everyone can see. I want people who are non-members to see this one. So this is what we call the tactical analysis routine. This is a series I teach my members in my community to better go through the chart in a quicker fashion, and also marking the most important lines. You don't want to go up here and mark a bunch of random lines that don't mean anything. So let's go ahead and go through this. So emerging candles. These are areas that break new prices with new volume, high volume, big volume, new areas. I just tried to find the highs of all these candles and I mark them on the weekly and the daily. Zoom in, get your trend too. You want to get your trend while you're in here. You see you have a pretty sharp trend going up. You have a touch here, a touch here, a touch here. You have almost another touch there on current price. So it's just an area of strong pullback. I don't know if I really mark another top side one. I guess we can. If you do that though, you're going to get a rising wedge no matter what, so I won't mark that one. So let's go ahead and keep marking some more emerging candles. So we have that one. I don't really see another one that I like. We have this good resistance here, which is also support here before this push up. Last pullback was this one that bounced off our trend line. So let's move down to the hourly. Let's focus on this. Okay, 30-minute. Zoom in on this. So let's get our trading plan in order. So what do we want to see? Besides pre-market, doing our highs and lows and doing our highs and lows of this day, what's a good system to follow? So after doing all those levels, you already have the most important lines on your entire chart. Now you want to find some levels that are near current price that are going to be awesome. So right here, we have a good resistance both from almost high of that day and high of extended hours that day to what was a support for multiple days after the all-time high. And now you have a resistance there again. So no matter what pre-market shows us, we're going to definitely be playing above 208 to 209.61, above 209.61 to 212s, back to near all-time highs. So that's our trading plan if things go up. But we are not biased. We're going to plan for both sides. What do we see below? Let's find a good common support that used to be a good resistance. So first of all, I see this resistance right here. Good support, support, fell through, support. Now it's kind of holding there. So it looks like below 205 is going to be a little more bearish. There's also another good kind of secondary level there at like 203.60, so that'll be a good first target. And then I think a good third target would be this resistance turn support. So you have a resistance, support, push up, support, broke down a little bit but caught on our trend line. That's why we have our trend line there. So before trend line, we have below 205 to 203.60s, below 203.60s. It looks like about 20 flat is going to be what's tested. And besides that, we have our trend line. So going to be watching volume on the bigger time frames on that trend line break. Or above old high. So going to be watching volume on that. But that's our technical analysis routine that I just took you through, and I hope you enjoyed it.